Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite normal because developer options are advanced, so they have to be specially activated. And in order to do that, simply enter the About phone, find the build number and keep tapping on it until you will see the information that you've activated the developer options. But if you feel that my explanation right now was not good enough, then we've got the tutorial of how to enable the developer options, so I highly recommend to check it and come back to this video, obviously. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the demo mode. As you can see, it is at the very bottom of this first section. So let's tap on it. And we've got two different options. So first of all, we can turn on the demo mode without actually showing it, just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see, nothing happened actually, but it is working. Or we can show the demo mode just by tapping on this second switcher, and as you can see, actually immediately we've got some changes on the status bar. So for example, we've got halted hour, which means that the clock will always stay at 7 o'clock. What's more, all of the icons are in their full state, and the notifications simply disappeared. So this is how the demo mode appears. Of course, you can keep it turned on without showing it just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see, we've got immediately actually the difference, or you can turn it off totally. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.